Hey, let's dive into how Redux Toolkit turns your chaotic app data into a perfectly organized toy box. So, what actually is Redux Toolkit, or RTK, and why are developers so obsessed with it?
Basically, it's a way to efficiently manage global state, that crucial data your whole app needs to share.
It's the official, much simpler way to write Redux. No more confusing legacy boilerplate code to deal with. To get it, just imagine one giant toy box sitting right in the middle of your living room. Now, all the kids in the house, just like the different parts of your app, share this single box. Whenever someone adds or takes out a toy, everyone knows about it instantly. It's totally in sync. Well, Redux brilliantly illustrates exactly that. It's literally the central toy box for your app's data. But hey, sharing requires rules, right? That brings us to the three main ideas of this toy box. First up is the store. This is simply that one big master toy box holding all your data. Next is an action. It's just a simple message shouting an intent, like, hey, I want to do this. Finally, the reducer. This is the specific rule that dictates exactly how that data is allowed to change. So to recap, the store holds the data, the action is the message, and the reducer makes the rules. So the real question is, how will you organize your app's shared toy box today?